Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can recover your TikTok account without email or password. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your TikTok application on your device and simply log in with your account. As you can see that it requires email and password to log in with your account. What you need to do is create a new account on TikTok. After creating and setting up your account completely, go over to your profile page and tap on the hamburger menu present at the top right corner. Then select settings and privacy. Scroll down to the end and select report a problem. Inside it, select feed, search, share tab under topic section. Then select other in the feed drop down menu. Here just tap on need more help and just simply type in the situation to explain it to TikTok. And that's how you can recover your TikTok account without email address and password. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.